If you do not understand intervals, musical distances, on one string, there's no possible way you'll understand them on multiple strings. Start with one note. We'll call it the root, even though there's no way to know any note is a root until you see its relationships to the other notes. That's what this presentation is all about. Go to the third note of the scale, do, re, mi, that's the third. 4 frets. Semitone analysis system, this is the way that I'm learning. It's a linear, or teaching, it's a linear method. Tells you how many half steps or frets there are between elements instead of the traditional method, which has a name that you have to know what that means. Major third is what originally, and still is, called. 4 frets, major third. 3 frets to the next note is a minor third. That is what's called a root position major triad. And it doesn't matter what octave it's in, as long as there's a root, a note 4 frets higher, and a note 3 frets higher than that. It makes a root position major triad. Now if we take the bottom note and put it up an octave, we still have the same 3 notes, even though one note's an octave higher. This is called a first inversion. 3 frets on the bottom, 5 frets on the top. That's a perfect fourth. Third, fifth, and root. This perfect fourth is really confusing because 4 equals 5. People do not like it. 5 half steps equals a perfect fourth. When it's put on top of a minor third, it's a first inversion major triad. Notice there's not even a major interval in this triad, but it's a major triad. This confuses people. So we're going to take that lowest note and put it on top. So now there is a major interval in it, major third. Perfect fourth and a major third make a second inversion major triad. Four frets, 5 frets, perfect fourth with major third on top, second inversion major triad. Now if we take the bottom note, which is the 5th of the original chord, put it on top, it's back to a root position major triad. It is an octave higher than the first one, but the same 3 notes. 4 fret interval and a 3 fret interval, major third and minor third. Watch this 20 times and say the words as I'm saying them.